Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer Tech. Today I want to talk to you about Hero 8 again because as the holiday season has progressed, the deals keep coming. Now there's a special bundle available that I want to talk to you about because there's a deal that's likely going to be ending today, and I wanted to get this video out before it's over just to give you a chance to order it. If you're in Canada, you don't want to miss out because this is the best deal I've found since the Hero 8 has come out. And when they first came out, it was just the camera itself, but now, since the holidays started, they've got this special bundle, which is available at some retailers. You can get it at Best Buy Canada, as well as a couple of other retailers I'll mention about, but it includes $100 worth of extra accessories in the kit. You get the mini tripod, a 32 gig Extreme SD card, an extra battery, and a head strap. Pretty awesome, and it's the exact same price as the camera itself, and it's on sale. The best deal that I have found on this is from a store called Sport Chek. Sport Chek is owned by Canadian Tire, and they have a deal on right now where you get 50 times back in Canadian Tire money on purchase of a GoPro 8 bundle, or a GoPro Max, which equates to getting back $95.88 in Canadian Tire money, as well as if you're interested in an Apple Watch, they also have 50 times cash back on an Apple Watch as well. It's well worth it. This deal does end today though, so just be aware of that. If you miss out, today's the last day. It was on from December 12th to the 23rd, and all you do is you just enter in your Canadian Tire, it's called the Triangle card information while you're checking out, and you will get that. So that is where this has come from. Last week, this special bundle showed up at Best Buy for the same price that I paid for just the camera. So I went and I exchanged my camera to get the bundle. And then the Sport Chek deal came out where you get almost another $100 back in useful points. So I've exchanged it yet again. So this is now my third GoPro 8. And I have been using it, but I just wanted to give you the full unboxing experience because I haven't really got to any of the special bundle accessories yet, so I want to show you what you get in the box. Everything else about the camera is the same. Hero 8, check out my other unboxing of the Hero 8 to see everything you get and how they've designed the case and some of the things about that. I will say that since I've been using the GoPro Hero 8, picture quality and sound quality is improved over the 7. I do notice it. It is something where if you are going to be looking for the best picture quality of an action camera, the GoPro 8 is the ticket, but because of the changes that they made to the design of it, being the non-removable screen protector and not having a cage or a case when you're running it, everything is more easily damaged. So I'm going to be using it in safe type scenarios where I'm holding onto the camera or it's in a safe location. I'm not really going to be using it as an action cam because it can't take the abuse that the old ones could. Let's get into what you get in the special bundle. That's the whole point of this video, is that it's on sale. If you want it today, pick it up today because today's your last chance to get the extra $100 off in points. You get the stickers, the book, all the normal stuff you get with a GoPro. All the special bundle things are included in the box. I saw this, I wondered, is this going to be a mail-in rebate thing? Because this seemed like too much stuff to fit in this box, but they did it. It's all in here. This is also why I'm doing this on video, because once I get it out, I'll probably never fit it back in. Here's the SD card you get, a 32 gig U3 ultra high speed card. That's excellent. I wish it was a 64 gig because I usually run 64s, but still, that's great. That's a super high speed card. That'll work for 4K high bit rate. You get the standard USB 2.0 to USB-C. I did mention this as a rant in the previous GoPro Hero 8 unboxing, is that the GoPro Hero 7 that I got when they were first new was a nice fast USB 3 cable. They've since downgraded your cable. So if you're going to be transferring data off of the camera using the cable, this will be slower. Then, a significant upgrade in itself is getting 2 batteries, because when I had originally bought my Hero 8, I bought the Hero 8 and then a secondary battery. And in Canada, the secondary batteries are $30. I think they're $20 US. So you get 2 new blue cap batteries. Blue cap means that they're high discharge rate. They're like a higher C rating. If you know anything about RC cars, it's more like a high discharge battery, which allows for the Hypersmooth 2.0 features, Hypersmooth Boost. Also are backwards compatible with the 7. And I have found overall that these batteries do seem to last longer. I don't know if it's a combination of just the battery type or if it's a combination of the efficiency of the Hero 8. You get your standard curve mount sticky, and you get a head strap. Now this, once I undo this, I will never be able to fit it back in again. This is an interesting, it's an elastic band, but it's not very elasticy. Okay. So let's see what the official GoPro head strap is like. I do use a third-party aftermarket head strap a lot. Now, most of my GoPro accessories, I use them with a tripod style mount. So this one is using the 3-finger style action camera mount, which means that every time you want to take the camera on and off, you can't just quickly clip it in and clip it out. You actually have to undo the screw each time if I want to mount this onto the head. The overall quality seems pretty good. It's got these, it's got grips for your head. Seems like a pretty good. Can't complain for it being free in the box as a bundle accessory. Really, the whole reason that I would recommend picking up the special bundle is to get the extra battery, the SD card, as well as this little guy. This one I have considered buying separately a few times, but I never wanted to buy it because it was always $50 Canadian. This is the Shorty tripod. So it works as a little tripod. Of the accessories that you get. So that's the special bundle. That's what you're getting, is you're getting 2 batteries, a tripod, the SD card, and a head mount strap. Okay, my tripod has a little bit of plastic flashing in there, which is causing it to not work. You really got to jam it in, unless that's by design to hold it tight. And then they don't want you to use the big screw. I wonder why. It doesn't look like it would interfere. Maybe it would with the old style Hero 7 case, but instead with this one they give you this little thumb screw. This is exactly why I like 1/4-20 style tripod screws more than this fiddliness, because if I want to then use this and then take it off later, look at how much of a pain this is. I don't really like the little screw thing that comes with this. I would rather use this one. This one's a little bit easier to manage, but I just wanted to show you how this works. So you get your tripod. So you get your camera mounted onto this little mini tripod. It does not have any grip on the feet, so that's a little unfortunate. I did not know that. Now this is something where if I had paid almost $50 for it separately, I would have been disappointed in it. So to extend the mini tripod, you just pull it out, and that's how you can extend it. Not bad for free. I can't complain for free, but if I was paying for this separately, I would have been disappointed in it. But overall, I think that that is a pretty good bundle. So the whole point of this video, I want to try and make this short, is that if you can find it, buy the bundle. Do not buy the standard version. So there is now an official bundle by GoPro that includes all of this extra stuff. 2 batteries, tripod, SD card, and a head strap. Well worth it. So you can buy it on sale for around Christmas time, as well as some retailers might be having the extra points off. So if you want it in Canada, buy it today, because today's the last day that you can get it. December 23rd, 2019, where you're getting that extra $95 back in Canadian Tire money, which is useful to Canadians. That's a useful store credit to us. So yeah, highly recommended. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you're new around here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. And as always, thanks for watching.